Hi, my name is Jing Ee, and today I'll be talking about the memory span, also known as CRO or our magic number limit. I'll be explaining what this test is and why it's important, and how understanding this concept helps us manage our limits better. And today I'll perform this digit test with my cousin that tests on our magic number. But before the test, I would like to discuss on how the test works, and after the test, I'll discuss about the concepts of the test and George Miller, who researched and found the average magic number limit of 7 plus minus 2. So first, let's talk about the memory span test. The test involves remembering sequence of digits read out one at a time and trying to recall them accurately. The goal is to determine the maximum number of digits you can remember in a sequence. So here's how it works. We have a list of numbers starting from this first digit, from a single digit up to 12 digits, and each person who is playing will listen to these numbers and read out one digit at a time and attempt to repeat them. And once you stop at a digit, like for example, if I stop at 9 digits, that means my magic number limit is 9. So now we'll start the memory span test. So this is Kaylee and I'll test her right now. 5,
5,
6, 7,
6, 7,
209,
209,
8372,
8372,
95431,
95431,
240842.
240842,
Okay, 3294765.
3294769,
5.
5,
Okay, so Kaylee's memory span is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. She stopped at 7. So now it's my turn.
7,
7,
3, 4,
3, 4,
5, 1, 2,
5, 1, 2,
4, 9, 2, 3,
4, 9, 2, 3,
6, 7, 2, 1, 0,
6, 7, 2, 1, 0,
8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4,
8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
5, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 4, 5.
5, 2, 1, 0, 5, 2, 4. Oh, yeah. So my memory span is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I stopped at the limit 8. Thank you. So the term crowd refers to the idea that our minds have a limited capacity for holding information in focus at one time. So I'd like to talk about George Miller, who is a cognitive psychologist, which published the magical number 7 plus minus 2 in 1956 in Psychological Review. So it interpreted the argument that the number of objects a human can hold in a short-term memory is actually 7 plus or minus 2, which is the range of 5 to 9. And it suggests that the average person can only hold between 5 to 9 items in their working memory at one time. So this limit is actually due to our cognitive constraints, which is why the term crowd was used. So although our memory span is limited, it's important that we know how to effectively overcome this limit by using concepts. So instead of remembering each individual piece of information, we group similar pieces which are entities that share the same defining property into single mental entity or concept. So for example, instead of remembering what each digit separately, like how I did just now, you can group digits into meaningful chunks of digits. So this process is called concept formation, which is the process of identifying common properties or defining properties among various entities and create a word or concept that represents them. So for me, I actually think that this concept formation process is really important for organizing your knowledge or thoughts. So in conclusion, while our minds can only hold a limited number of amount of the items at one time, using concepts really help us manage this limit by simplifying and organizing information. We can then enhance ability to process and remember important information more effectively. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a better understanding of what this test is and how it works and how to effectively overcome your own memory span limit. Thank you.